Hi everybody, my name is Sambhav Agarwal and today I'm here to talk about my experience at inSAKE Solution. I joined inSAKE Solution as an equity research intern 2 months back, and I'm approaching towards the end of this internship, and my experience has been superb and it has been among the best internship that I've ever done. The peers, the mentors, the HRs, the instructors, all are really very supportive and great. They have great knowledge as well. They are very supportive in your each and every activity. Wherever I felt a bit stuck, I contacted them and they always helped me. Apart from that, if I talk about from the learning perspective, I think there is a great and deep learning associated with interning at inSAKE Solution. You learn a lot of things. You learn practically, you learn theoretically, you practically apply all those things and you understand and you develop a lot. So overall, I think that this internship has really been great, and I think so anyone who is willing to join this internship must not think twice to join it, because this is, I think, one of the best internships you can ever do. So yes, that's about it.